Hello, welcome back to my channel Techmondo. In this video we are going to learn about how to hide columns in Excel spreadsheet. By knowing this, you will be able to hide the information you don't want to share in the table with public. Let's get to it. There are two ways to hide a column or columns in a spreadsheet. Now for method 1, first highlight the columns you want to hide. For example, D and E. You can do this by clicking on the bar of letters, selecting the relevant columns. If you want to hide more than one column at a time, just press Shift key and then click on each column that you want to hide. Once you have selected all the columns you want to hide, use a right click and you will see few options. Here you can see hide option, hide columns. Now you can see the columns you have selected are not visible on this table on screen. And if you were to print out the spreadsheet, the hidden columns will not be printed out. They are not deleted, just hidden. You can make them visible anytime. Now, if you want to hide non-consecutive columns, use Control key instead of Shift key. For example, I have selected column D here, and if you want to select another column, that is F instead of E, which is consecutive column, if you want to select column F, then press Control key and then select the column you want. Here you can see you have selected D and F, and then you can follow the same procedure that we have discussed. Now for method 2. Now select the columns that you want as we discussed before and go to Home tab, under which you can see there are few options here. Go to More Options and you can see this is a cells section. Under this you can see Format. Here under Visibility section you will see Hide and Unhide option, and then select Hide columns here. As you can see here, the columns you have selected are hidden now. To find out how to unhide these columns, keep watching Techmondo. If you find this video helpful, like us and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.